the door.
Yeah. Open the steps. Okay, you hold on to the door. Open the door. When Lucy was born, she was diagnosed with a rare condition. It was a microdeletion on chromosome 6. Very rare. There's only 23 studied cases in the world. So it was very stressful to get a diagnosis like that, and we were unsure of what lay ahead. Lucy has come on leaps and bounds. She's able to talk and walk with the aids of her walker, and she's progressing to crutches soon. We're very lucky that she gets to go to a mainstream school, and she has SNAs with her, and she's doing very well. And what else would you like to say, Lucy?
Today we were doing Lego in my school.
Oh my goodness, she loves Lego, loves playing. Very lucky that our school has a sensory room.
Yeah.
And for Lucy and I, we get great help and support from Rare Ireland. Rare Ireland are a charity. They're set up the last couple of years, maybe 5 or 6 years. And it's a great place to feel where you belong. And you can talk to other moms through lived experience. Being such a rare case, we didn't have a group to go to. We didn't have a sense of community, but that's what Rare Ireland does.